everyone, it's been a while I have posted a new video and I'm sorry for that. Since we are about to hit Halloween in a day, it doesn't make sense to miss this amazing festival. It's probably the best opportunity to get creative, right? So in this video I have created this look being inspired from one of the 7 deadly sins, which is greed. So it's gonna be exciting, and if you wish to find me on Instagram, this is my profile. You will also find the link in the description box, so please go and follow me over there for all other updates. So let's get this started, and I'm not putting any kind of voice over here because it's just for entertainment purpose and it's super easy, so please don't miss it and stick till the end.